The unusual thing about today, the next few days, is there's actually a blizzard warning. Now, in order for there to be a blizzard, there needs to be blowing snow, which the snow is falling right now. We've also seen some blowing snow just kind of forming some formations here that we can see. There also needs to be at least 35 miles per hour wind and some low visibility. So if you take a look behind me, all you'll see is a lot of snow. We have seen some snow plows that just started coming out in the last few minutes or so. The strongest winds that have been clocked up here at the pass, 74 miles per hour. So again, that contributes to that blizzard warning. In terms of how much snow the pass has been getting, 12 to 16 feet in the last 24 hours, but they could also be getting 12 to 16 feet of additional snow coming in today. And again, with all the snow and high winds, there's also the rising avalanche danger, so that's something crews will be monitoring for. And of course, the big message to drivers out here this morning is to really take it slow. Chains are required for all vehicles except for those four-wheel drives. We haven't seen any accidents coming up. We did see one semi-truck that was sort of in the ditch. It's unclear when it was in the ditch, but there were tow trucks trying to get it out of the ditch. But yeah, the big message is to take it slow. Yesterday there were a lot of spinouts, a lot of accidents, so just keep it safe if you are crossing the pass today or tomorrow, as that blizzard warning remains in effect. But for now, reporting live here at Snoqualmie Pass, Angela Cockade, King.